First, we'll define what immigration assistance actually means legally. Then, we'll get into who can officially help you out. We'll also clear up the difference, a helper and a recipient. It's an important one. And finally, we'll talk about your own responsibility in all of this.
Okay, first things first. Before you even think about picking someone to help, you've got to understand what the Australian government officially calls help, because it's a very specific legal term. So what actually counts as immigration assistance? Well, it's not just a friend looking over your shoulder. Legally, we're talking about anyone who uses their knowledge of migration law to do things like prepare your application, give you advice on your visa, or even represent you in court. And that is the absolute key takeaway here. Because this is considered a formal legal activity, not just anyone off the street can do it. The Australian government has really strict rules about who is legally allowed to provide this kind of assistance. So who are these people? Who's on the approved list? Well, they fall into three very distinct categories, and knowing the difference between them is absolutely essential before you hire anyone or ask for help.
Okay, this chart lays it out perfectly. You've got your paid professionals, registered migration agents, and legal practitioners. Then there's another group called exempt persons, which could be someone like a close family member. The most critical difference to burn into your memory, an exempt person cannot, under any circumstances, charge you money for their help. It's against the law.
Let's take a closer look at registered migration agents, or RMAs.